guys, welcome back to my channel, Chelsea So Random, and today we have on the menu is some homemade spicy spaghetti. So we have some angel hair pasta at the bottom, some engineered tomato sauce in the middle, and some Angus ground beef on the top. On the side we have some applesauce. Now, no garlic bread today, y'all, because the carbs on this plate. Okay, we got our silverware here. Let's pray and let's get to eating. Amen. And for the drink, of course, y'all, we got my favorite brand, Olipop, Dr. Goodwin. It's comparable to a Dr. Pepper, if y'all must know. Let's go ahead and fill this up on camera. Hope you guys can see. Hear that fizz, y'all. Oof. Okay, so you know how we do over here. We protect ourselves, but we wearing black, but it's okay. All right, y'all. Let me give y'all an up-close picture. Up close. Look at that, y'all. Can y'all see how good that looks, y'all? Look at that. Now, I had to use some paper plates this time because too many dishes. Okay, so, y'all, it's still steaming. Can y'all see that steam? Oh, y'all. Now, I don't know if you noticed about me. My spaghetti, it gotta be separate. The pasta, the meat, the sauce, gotta be separate. Gotta be separate, y'all. It bugs me to get served spaghetti and it's already mixed together. Because I love y'all. I'll get the first bite. Y'all get that first meaty, saucy, noodly bite. Y'all, it's hot. Yes, baby. Whew. Yeah, I'm not playing out. This sauce is spicy. I don't know when I ever thought of making spaghetti sauce spicy, but it just came to me. I'm like, this bang. Oh, look at that. Look. Ooh, ooh. So, if you're wondering why I have applesauce on the side, y'all, try this combo. I usually open it towards the end and pour it on the side. Y'all, the pasta noodles, the sauce. Oh, gosh. Y'all, I'm a sauce person, so I poured the sauce on here. Okay. Gotta have a good ratio, y'all. Gotta have a good ratio. And yes, y'all hear my little baby in the background. He's cameoed in every video I make, it feels like. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Ooh. I can't waste on it. It's too precious. Hot. Y'all, this is the kind of meal you have once a month. I'm telling you. You can have more than once. Whew. Get one other bite. Look at that. Y'all, angel hair is the best pasta to have with spaghetti to me. Hands down. The best. And we got a lot of pasta this time. So, I'm not gonna be talking too much, y'all. Look at that. I'm not gonna be talking too much. So, while I'm not talking too much, as I start conversation, how was y'all week? Hope y'all had a good week. We're already in June, y'all. It's the first week of June. And I, for one, cannot wait cannot wait until summer is over. Y'all, I'm not a summer girl at all. I'm being real generous with y'all. I'm sharing so much with y'all. Sharing so much. Y'all even see how much food? Now, when I get halfway through this food, y'all, when I get halfway through this food, you're gonna see a lot of from me because that heat builds up, y'all. And I can't give you my secret recipe to my spaghetti sauce. I can't give you that recipe. I love y'all though. But I can't get that recipe. I can't do it. Y'all. And it has chunks of tomatoes in it. Can you see that chunk? Tomato right there? Oh no. It's stewed tomatoes, by the way. Now look at the sauce just sitting there like that. That's the best part when the sauce and the clumps of meat just left behind. Recommend when y'all make pasta sauce, don't eat it the same day, let it sit overnight. Cause you notice how my sauce is like a dark burgundy red. It's not really like a bright pasta sauce kind of red. So I done did some things. It's so good. Okay, I'm trying to feed y'all too, but I don't want to lose any food. Cause it's that good, y'all. Look at that. Take a bite, y'all. No, I don't have no cheese, y'all. Yeah, I'm starting sniffing too, y'all. Man. And a shout out to everybody who's been subscribing to my channel and liking my videos. Thank you so much. I really do. I really do appreciate it. Y'all. Because y'all liking my videos help others see my videos and they come over here too and look at my videos. Y'all. This makes me happy. So good. I can't stop feeding y'all how good it is. Now one thing about the soda I chose, it's gonna be good, but it's gonna burn the living mess up my mouth, y'all. Anything that's spicy and followed by anything acidic afterward, your mouth over with. I'm giving you a little off the shoulder. This dress is a bit big on me, but oh well. We in the house eating spaghetti. Oh, it's in my mouth, y'all. Okay, y'all. Cheers, but I have some, y'all. Ooh. I'm a little afraid. Okay. That wasn't too bad. Okay. I say this now. Y'all. Look at all that sauce and chunk of meat on the side. It's here, y'all. Oh, We can't forget about it. Oh. Ooh. It's a hum building right back in the throat. If only I could taste this. So freaking good. I hear y'all want some more. I hear y'all. Look at that. You gotta scoop it with the meat on the side. Oh, the chunks. Oh, yes. Oh. I don't know if I finished my sentence earlier, but I made a whole vat of sauce, so my husband's gonna kind of demolish the rest of that sauce because, yeah, it's spicy. And I can do spicy, but not for more than like a day or so. Okay, how are we gonna do it? Let's put it over here. Let's scoot it over a little bit. Let me know in the comments if y'all do this. If y'all, my elbow's ashy. Don't look. Don't look. If you're gonna pour, you know, there we go. Yeah. You can call this childish of me. Say what you will, but it's bomb. The combo is bomb. Oh, y'all. So good. It's been so long since I had spaghetti. It's been so long. Oh. It's hot. It's hot. So you gotta take this right. Gotta scoop a little bit in the sauce, in the applesauce. Yep. And she cool it right on down. If you guys are watching and enjoying this mukbang so far, hit that subscribe button. Join the channel. If you don't know, on Thursdays or Fridays, I post mukbangs, and on Sundays, I post my book content. Y'all, this is book that had me in a chokehold. Look at that sauce. Pure sauce and meat. Spicy. Woo. This book called This book called The Unleashing. I'm trying to break. I don't want this big clump of spaghetti. I'm trying to break it up a little bit, y'all. I'm trying to break it up. Come on. Spaghetti was fighting me. I'm good? Okay, I'm good. Ooh. It wouldn't be my mukbang if I ain't almost break something, y'all. Oh, excuse me, guys. It's called The Unleashing by Shelley Laurenstein. Come on, clump of spaghetti. Break it up. Thank you. Goodness. Listen to me. called The Unleashing by Shelley Lorenstein. It's very good. It's a paranormal book. And she's so good with the banter too, y'all. She just her thug thizzle, okay? Really good. Yeah, some of her artwork or cover work is a bit particular. Excuse me. But that series is good. Can't attest for her other books, but that series was good. One other bite. I haven't offered y'all any. Want some more? Y'all, I had to bust out the paper products because spaghetti sauce stains bad. And we know this. I'm eating the mess of this food, y'all. But this would smack with some garlic bread. Okay, I know it would. I know it would, y'all. But I pick and choose my battles, y'all. Pick and choose. A little bit of applesauce. Oh. It's so good. And be careful. The pepper come up, y'all. Y'all. Let me give y'all a nice forkful of just meat and a little bit of noodles, y'all. Some meat and a little bit of noodles. Now I'm ready to basically paint my camera with the spaghetti, y'all. I was so close. Oh, I saw something, y'all. Tripping. Okay, this is my purists out there. Let me just get a little spoon and just spoon my applesauce only. It cools on that spice so nicely. A little bit of pasta sauce in there. It's okay. Yo, I am getting full. Good thing I'm almost done. Are we coming to an end already? Okay, that's meat. That's meat, y'all. Pure meat. I'm sorry for the lighting, y'all. It's kind of like really cloudy where I am, so I'm probably messing with the light right now. Shirt. Give me a little shoulders up. Yeah, that's gone. Okay. I can really see it's only but a speck of food left, right? Y'all. I can twirl this. I can twirl this. Okay. Okay. Look at that, y'all. Oh boy. That pasta will do is fill you. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. When you close your eyes and eat that food, it hit. Y'all, I ain't saying I'm the best cook in the world. I'm sure I'm not. But I have a particular way of cooking and it does work, okay? Mm-hmm. It does work. Y'all, I be wanting to share my recipe, but I can't share my recipe with y'all. I be wanting to share it, but I can't. Come on, Noodle, don't play with me. So we'll be petty. Y'all. Are we scraping the plate? I think we are. Because it's that good. I'm gonna get a spoon. I'm gonna get a spoon. Excuse me, y'all. Ooh. Excuse me. My spoon. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm. Is there more applesauce left? Oh. Oh, we got a little bit. We got a little bit. Got a little bit, y'all. Mm-hmm. Look at that, y'all. Are we gonna clear? Mm-hmm. And we're gonna clear. Do you have any soda left? Let's see. Let's see if we do. And we do. Mm-hmm. Do I appear to be older? Do I sound older than I am? Because the way I be sounding when I be eating my food, I'm like, girl, how old are you? Y'all, we done. Excuse me. Excuse me. Because it was spicy. Y'all, we made it to the end. We finished our food. There's no more to say. But thank y'all for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with 80 billion people. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.